Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my latest YouTube video. This is episode 2 of the home automation series. Episode 1 was my introduction, and this is also an unboxing video which will go under the unboxing playlist. Today, we will be unboxing the Google Nest Mini 2.0. I have actually unboxed one already, and I recorded a video of the unboxing. However, due to my stupidity, I formatted my SD card and lost everything. So, with lessons learned and improvements, we will be retaking and reshooting this unboxing. Also, don't mind me and whatever's going on my face. I came back from a morning run, and to counteract the sunburn, I put on a face mask. It's a DIY face mask made with coffee and honey and bicarbonate soda, but maybe we'll get back to that in another YouTube video. Today is an unboxing. Okay, Google, play some Spotify.
Okay, playing Spotify.
What if we run away? What if we left today? What if we said goodbye to say?
So there you have it, guys. This was the unboxing of the Google Nest Mini 2.0. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys soon.